Making money is an essential part of life, as it allows us to sustain ourselves and purchase the things we need. Whether you're stuck in a financial rut, have to pay some unexpected bills, or are looking to build up your emergency fund, you may be in need of some fast cash. So in this video, we are going to discuss 10 legit ways to make $1,000 a day. The video is going to be amazing. Make sure to stick till the end. Now, before we get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Number 10. Ask for a raise. If you have full-time employment, asking for a raise won't immediately put $1,000 in your pocket, but it can effectively increase your overall annual salary. It can be intimidating to ask your boss for more money, and you will need to be prepared with solid reasoning for why you deserve a bump in salary. Consider your current workload, responsibilities, and achievements. If you can clearly show your valuable contributions to the company, then you should absolutely ask for a raise. Number 9. Work as a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants, VAs, provide a range of remote services, from basic administrative tasks such as data entry and customer service, to more complex assignments such as web design and social media management. To get started as a VA, create a profile on a freelance website like Upwork or Fiverr and list the services you want to provide. Be sure to highlight your skills and experience in your online portfolio, as this will attract the clients in need of what you have to offer. Number 8. Make money online. While similar to passive income, there are ways to actively make money online, including taking surveys, teaching English, coaching, starting a podcast, or starting a YouTube channel. If you've got an outgoing spirit and can speak about one topic fairly confidently, you may find success starting a YouTube channel. The goal is to attract viewers, so you'll want to create original and engaging content. Make videos about trending topics. Once you start getting views, you can monetize your YouTube videos with ads or sponsors, promote your own products, or join an affiliate program to promote others' products or services in your videos. Another popular way to make money online is by taking surveys. With apps like Survey Junkie, you can earn money by providing your opinions and feedback as a consumer. Usually, you'll be rewarded with points that you can later redeem for cash or gift cards. While it's unlikely you would earn $1,000 in a single day with this method alone, you can pair it with a few other options listed here to earn extra cash. Number 7. Set up passive income streams. Make money while you sleep. With passive income, it's possible. Setting up passive income streams will require a lot of work at the front end, but the payout can be big. Like e-commerce or side hustles, there are plenty of ways to earn passive income. You just have to decide which path you align best with. Here is a short list of possible passive income stream options. That's just a small taste of what is possible. If you're a beginner, I advise sticking with 2 or 3 passive income streams at first. Remember, they will take time and possibly money to implement, so be realistic about the time you have to dedicate to each one. Number 6. Invest in real estate. As with blogging, if you need $1,000 in 24 hours right now, this might not be for you. But if you want to consistently make $1,000 in a day, real estate investing is a great approach. Investing in real estate can be a great way to make money quickly, and there are a few different approaches, whether you want to be hands-on or hands-off with your investment. One method of real estate investing is to purchase a property and rent it out to generate income. With this method, you would need to be an active property manager and should be prepared to take on the responsibilities that come along with it. This can include screening and approving tenants, fulfilling maintenance requests, handling complaints, and supervising the property. If you prefer a passive approach, you can invest in real estate through REITs, real estate investment trusts, or crowdfunding without purchasing a property. REITs are companies that own and operate real estate properties and pay 90% of their income out to shareholders as dividends. Many REITs are traded publicly on the stock market. All you need is a brokerage account. Number 5. Open an e-commerce shop. Thanks to the internet, it has never been easier to start a small business from the comfort of your home has never been easier. Like blogging, e-commerce has the potential to make you money, but you have to dedicate your time to it. Luckily, there are plenty of platforms to choose from and products and services to sell. First, decide what type of shop you want to have and what you want to sell to your target audience. You can resell items you purchase at a wholesale cost, or you can create your own products to sell. A few common options for e-commerce include dropshipping. Dropshipping is an ideal e-commerce model for those who don't want to hold inventory or handle shipping. With dropshipping, you can sell products through your online store from a supplier or manufacturer, and they will package and ship them directly to your customers. Print on demand. If you have a gift for graphic design, but still don't want the burden of storing and shopping inventory, consider print on demand, or POD. POD is similar to dropshipping. Etsy. Etsy is another online marketplace for those with a knack for creativity who want to share it with others. With Etsy, shop owners can sell their handmade or vintage items to a large, active customer base. Amazon FBA. With Fulfillment by Amazon or Amazon FBA, you can list your products on the Amazon Marketplace, and Amazon will handle the fulfillment, shipping, and tracking for you. Number 4. Start a blog. If you really need $1,000 in 24 hours right now, this isn't for you. But if you want to begin your journey to financial freedom and be able to consistently make $1,000 in 24 hours, I would have to say this is definitely for you. If you enjoy writing and feel called to share your expertise with others, you can start a blog. Popular, trending niches have the potential for a lot of traffic, such as finance, health and fitness, travel, lifestyle, and fashion. Use your blog to establish yourself as an expert in your field and attract more traffic from search engines. Keep in mind that being a blogger will not make you $1,000 overnight. It takes a lot of time and effort before it starts paying off. Starting Millennial Money changed my life, but I was able to make it a success because I wanted to help people change their financial situations. Choose a niche or topic you're passionate about that will keep you locked in and motivated for the long haul. Number 3. Side hustle or part-time job. Getting a side hustle or second job is a surefire way to make a quick $1,000, and countless options are available. Here are my recommendations for side hustles that will make you good money. Many side hustles can be found through an online website or app, in which you'll need to create an account and profile in order to offer your services. You can also market your services to businesses and individuals through word of mouth, social media, or online listings. As with any service-based side job, be professional and provide excellent service. That way, you will always get repeat customers. Number 2. Freelance. Freelancing is an excellent opportunity to make a lot of money, whether you do it on the side or want to replace your full-time job. With freelancing, you can make money by offering your services of web design, graphic design, writing, transcription, data entry, video editing, and more. Primarily, freelance writing is the best option to make money in 24 hours. Freelance writing is an excellent opportunity to use your creative skills in your particular niche or area of expertise. Freelance writers are being hired for writing in various formats, including web content, emails, blog posts, social media content, and so much more. Number 1. Sell your stuff. I'm sure there are plenty of areas in your home, basement, attic, closets, or storage spaces that hold a ton of items you're not using. These things could be useful to someone else. Turn these unwanted, dust-collecting items into $1,000 by selling them, either in person or online. When deciding what to sell, you'll need to think about which belongings you're willing to part with, and research if these items have any potential value. Start by looking around your home and making a list of what you no longer use or need. Check for items that may have a wide appeal or are considered collectibles. Research online marketplaces to see what other people are selling and at what price point. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.